Okay, so days according to Mathematica. Okay, so Gregorian calendar used from October 1582 to the present time. Pope Gregory the 13th introduced it in 1582. Julian calendar is a calendar system introduced by Julius Caesar in 45 BCE. It was the most widely used calendar in the Western world until it was replaced by the Gregorian calendar in 1582 and later in other countries. So the Gregorian calendar is the calendar that we use today, here in the Philippines also. For example, here we use the Gregorian calendar here. For example, let us try uh, July 4, 1926. So that is Sunday, all right? So we have here, so that is Sunday, right? We can try, for example, uh, Saturday, uh, July 24. So July 24 here is July 24 is Saturday, 1926. So July 24. Okay, so we have Saturday. So we have here Saturday, July 24, 1926. So we can try also the July July 1. So we have here July 28 is Wednesday. We can try July 10. So July 10 is Saturday. Okay. All right. What day June 12, 1898 was Independent Day of the Philippines. All right. So we can try the Gregorian calendar here. So this is 1898, June 12. So that is Sunday, June 12, 1898. So during calendar, Christian crucifixion, April 3, uh, 33 AD. What day was it? The exact date of Jesus Christ's crucifixion is not definitely known, but the historian and biblical scholars have proposed a few like dates based on the biblical records, astronomy, and Roman history. Okay, so we have here, we use the Julian calendar here. This is July, this is this is April 3, year 33 AD. So the calendar we use here is Julian calendar. So that is uh, April 3, year 33. So that is Friday. So we have here Friday. Now let us convert the Julian calendar to Gregorian calendar. So that is 33, year 33, April 3. Okay. So convert it to Gregorian calendar. So that is April 1, uh, year 33. So this that is also Friday. Okay. Magellan discovered the Philippines on March 16, 1521. So during calendar, so 1521, so that was before 1582, before the introduction of the Gregorian calendar. Okay, but we have to uh, convert that during calendar to Gregorian calendar here. So 1521, uh, March 16, 1521. So we have here Saturday, March 26, 1521. If we use the Gregorian calendar. Now, if we use the Julian calendar, that is Saturday, March 16, 1521. Julius Caesar was assassinated on March 15, 44 BC by Brutus. BCE means before Common Era or before Christ. CE means Common Era or ED, Anno Domini or in the year of our Lord. So there is no year zero in the traditional BCED system. The calendar jumps from 1 BC to ED 1. So what day was 44 BC? March 15, because according to historical record, Julius Caesar was assassinated on March 15, 44 BC. So what day was that? So that was uh, March 15, 44 BC. So that is Wednesday. So Julius Caesar was killed uh, on the day, no, on Wednesday of 44 BC, March 15, Wednesday. So Julian calendar, let's convert the Julian calendar, -44 BC, March 15 to Gregorian calendar. So the answer here is this is also Wednesday, March 44. Uh, no, no, March 13, year 44 BC.